Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought a new updates regarding PhD admission in IIT Patna for a spring semester 2021-22. The departments where you can apply are chemical and biochemical engineering. In that there are a lot of area of research. You have to choose any one for your PhD. Then second, chemistry, that also there are a lot of areas. Then civil and environmental engineering, then computer science and engineering, then electrical engineering, humanity and social sciences, metallurgical and material engineering, mathematics, mechanical engineering, physics. So these all are the different departments in which you can apply. In that there are a lot of areas in which you have to select any one your interested areas. There are various category of PhD admission. The first is regular and full time. In that further there are various category in regular and full time. First one, institute fellows, means in that he will receive assistantship from institute. The qualifying degree for this is BE, Tech, MSc, MA, MBA, MCA or equivalent degree with valid GATE score above prescribed cutoff level or net qualification, or BTech from IITs with CGPA 8 and above are exempted from GATE qualification as per MHRD norms. If you have CGPA more than 8, then there is no requirement of GATE. But if you have ME, MTech or MPhil or equivalent degree with GATE or net qualification, means there are no requirement of valid GATE score in that, then also you can apply for this institute fellow category. Second is research fellows, JRF or SRF. He will receive assistantship from government recognized funding agency such as CSIR, UGC, DBT, NBHM, DST, etc. For this you have to qualify, you must have qualified NET which is conducted by CSIR, UGC, like that. The corresponding agency will finance you, means provide you fellowship. Second category in this is means first one regular and full time. Second, sponsored category, means students in this category is sponsored by industrial R&D organization, academic institution, universities or colleges, government organization or other ministry of government of India or any government organization including PSU and autonomous body or reputed industry for doing research in the institute. The institute doesn't provide any assistantship or fellowship to such a student. In that the company will provide you the salary which you are getting in the parent company. Candidate in a sponsored category must be regular employee of a sponsoring organization with minimum 2-year job experience in respective field. A student in this category is therefore a professionally employed person who pursues PhD while continuing her or his service. And the main thing is that you have to work full time in institute to obtain the degree for a minimum period of 3 years, and you have to submit a one NOC on the date of interview of the your means company or college, university, whatever you tell. Third one, self-financed. In this you have to work full time towards your PhD program, and institute will not provide you any assistantship. And there is the applicant should have qualified in national level exams. In that also means must have NET or GATE qualified, but you have to finance yourself. Next category is project staff. Means if you are already working in any projects in undergoing in IIT Patna, then also you can apply for PhD program. The main thing is that the minimum remaining duration of project is at least 2 years from date of joining the PhD program. You must have qualified GATE or NET also. If the project gets completed before the student complete his or her PhD category, will no longer be that of project staff, and her or his category will be converted to self-financed unless she is granted an assistantship or fellowship from the institute or other agency. You also have to submit one NOC available in this form 2 on college website, and you have to submit. Next one is employed and part time. A candidate in this category is a regularly employed person, including the staff of IIT Patna, who pursues the PhD program while continuing the duties of his or her service. The institute doesn't provide any assistantship. The minimum residential requirement is for 2 semesters for completing coursework, and he must be a regular employee with at least 2 years of professional experience in respective field. Work experience of minimum 2 years is essential with current employer. NOC you have to submit. Minimum eligibility criteria for admission to PhD program: MEM Tech. The upper age limit for BE Tech, MSc, MM, CA, MBA is for 28 years, and for MEM Tech, MPhil, MS is 32 years. These all are the things. For PhD in engineering, you must have MEM Tech with minimum CGPA 60%, bachelor degree. If you are applying after BA bachelor degree, you must have 80%, 8 CGPA or 75% marks. Or if you are pass out your B from IITs, then you must have CGPA 7. Master degree in science with 7.5 CGPA can apply. Same criteria be in science also, humanity and social science also. Direct admission waiver of entrance test. For candidate in science, engineering and technology, the institute may admit exceptionally bright students and full-time directly into PhD program. Eligible student candidate meeting one of the following criteria may be considered: BTech if you have from IIT, graduated within last 5 years with a degree in respective discipline of CGPA 8 CGPA, or master from IITs within last 5 years with a degree in a respective discipline with 8.5 CGPA. Then you can be waived from the written test. Relaxation is applicable as per ICT or government norms. Financial support 31,000 for starting 2 year, and last 3 year it is 35. Application fee 300 for general, male and female 150, and for SC/ST both male and female 150. This is the link for payment. I will upload the link in description box. And this is the link for online application. You have to apply the form on clicking this link. The last date is 15th of November 2021. Starting date 21st October 2021. These all are the important email ID will required. If you have need this, then you can mail on the respective email ID. And if you want to know further about IIT Patna, you have to visit the college website. If you are visiting my channel first time, then you subscribe the channel, share it with friends. So thank you, have a nice day.